Okay, it's lunchtime. Hi, loves. My yard man came. Had to check out stuff, make sure the grass cut right. Let's see. Yay! Cool beans. That'll work. That'll work for now. And Lord, my hostas is it's just blowing up. Just go ahead, hostas, do your thing. Got trim them bushes. Okay. I had semi meal prep salad for the week. So we're gonna go in. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm having for lunch. Okay? Come on. Tell me in the comments what you've had good for lunch. Good and healthy. Let's talk about it, okay? Okay, so right now, first, I'm just gonna say meal prep does not have to be difficult or challenging. Got some chicken that I just threw in the oven. General Tso chicken that you can bake from Sam's or somewhere. I've been cutting up my salad stuff per day instead of, I'm gonna put some eggs on it. Yeah, I know your head was spinning just then. And then we're just gonna do some salad. That's it. Voila, quick and easy Asian salad. Let's eat. So it's lunchtime. So let's eat. Ooh, yes, sir.